So today, I got a good look at the Mustang on the hoist, and, well, she ain't perfect. Realized she must have gone to church, because she's a bit holy. And a bit rusty. And a bit custy. But, with the help of a handy-dandy welder, and an angle grinder, which is just out of view over there, hopefully I'm going to fix most of these holes. Well, broke the disc off in the tool. That part in the middle is still in there, so gotta get that. But I found good old-fashioned seat ankle vent. I know it's a little hard to see, but that right there, that is carpet. So, yeah, I'm going to fix the tool, grind the living crap out of that, and start making some patch panels. Catch up with you then. So after getting a bunch of the broken pieces out and using just about all the zip discs, finally got everything grinding, and I started welding a couple of just holes. And fair warning, when I say weld, I mean more structural booger weld than anything. They're not pretty, and I mean, if you're gonna make fun of it in the comments, at least be creative. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Doesn't look too bad, but it's a structural booger weld. They ain't pretty, but it'll work.
What the hell is even that?
I'll take the grinder to it tomorrow. At least I know my settings now, and hopefully soon this car will stop going to church, become a little less holy. Catch you in the morning.
The next day.
Good morning. It's day 2 of getting rid of the active weight reduction and filling in those unwanted speed holes. Let me get you in here and show you what I'm doing. As you can see, this is a big speed hole. So, took my handy dandy piece of cardboard, put it up. Oh look, it fits. Don't fill a hole with cardboard. Using this as a template. After expertly, more like a kindergartner, traced out the cardboard, got it on the middle. Just gonna make a zip cut here, take this piece, weld it into that hole, and call it good enough. Hopefully. Let's get to it. Now, I know it ain't pretty, but it passes the hammer test, and I will seal it up later, but yeah, it definitely ain't pretty. Oh, God.
Oh. No. Nope.
But no more hole. I still got a couple areas to attach up, and then I gotta grind the whole thing again. But, yeah, one hole down, many more to go, and, still got a couple holes in the floor. I don't know. I should take apart the interior, but I am kind of lazy. Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. We'll see. Alright, got a few more plates cut out, and before anyone gets too concerned, I already rust treated in here. I'm gonna give it one more pass just to get rid of all of that crap, but I am treating it. I'm not just sealing in rust. So, next step, clean it, weld it, sand it. Well, after almost lighting the car on fire, I've run out of cord. I'm gonna see if I can find some more, but that might be all I can do for today.
Several days later.
Well, another familiar sight. It's been about a week. Got more wire for the welder. And because I was concerned about the overall structure of the car, I got something new. And I got someone to weld it because, at best, I'm a certified booger welder.
Yep. Uh-huh.
So everyone, this is Matt. He can say hi.
How's it going?
And yeah. So, he's gonna help me butter these in, weld them up much better than I can, and no uh-ohs. We're just gonna weld it. Just don't let it drop on your head.
The frame's not too straight, but we'll fix that.
One way or another. Let's get started. Alright, so we got the certified t-shirt welder. She's all fucking in. Bolted, welded, and it's not on fire, so we'll get cracking on the other side. Nice job, bud. Alright, as we can see, it's pretty strong. Fucking great job, bud.
400 pounds, but
So two of you. But fucking right.
you wanna put this nut on?
Nah, why not? I mean, it's optional. And hey, always remember, pay your friends, whether it be food, beers, or brews. Or a crisp high five.
Your hands dirty.
Alright, thanks again, bud. Holy fuck.
No problem, anytime.
So, same time
Well,
tomorrow?
Not anytime soon, but anytime.
Alright. We're gonna finish buttoning this up and then, yeah, I'll probably continue welding up just a couple other holes and wrap this bugger up.